Alright guys, what's going on? Alex here with the Burrow, and today we're going to be opening a pack of 2021 Goodwin Champs. Just picked this up at Walmart. Kind of doing my first video here, so bear with me. But hey, let's hope we get something good. Never expect too much with any sort of retail product, but hey, as long as we're having fun with it, that's all that we're really going for, right? So as you can see, we got our 6 packs, plus our bonus pack, which we'll unveil here at the end. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Again, never opened this product before, so we're just gonna go with it and hopefully have some fun. So Ryan Whitney, hey, Tiger Woods. Oh, that's a cool card. Wasn't expecting this. I don't even know what this is. It's pretty cool though. Alright, a little baseball action and some basketball. I'm liking the art of it so far, but no, that elephant card really caught me off guard. Alright. Not the biggest baseball guy, so you know, I'm big into football, but I dabble in just about every other sport, just not as proficient as football for sure. Oh, Ben Simmons, I know this guy. We're gonna see if he continues to do all right there in Brooklyn. John Taffer. Little was it Bar Rescue? That's pretty cool. All right. Let me know down below if you guys have had any luck with this product, because rodeo. Because this is just one of those fun rips, you know? You're not expecting anything too good. Pretty sure we got a case hit with this elephant. I mean, how can it not be? Look at that. That's pretty fantastic. Oh, alright. Some nice skiing. Just model. It looks like she has a golf club in her hand, but... And some more golf. That was a golf pack there. Again, bear with me. Just started up this channel. I'm trying to grow our account. We're going to be doing some sales. We've already done one successful giveaway. Really just enjoy collecting and hoping we can spread some joy and meet some nice people in it. Alright, some basketball. Some more golf. Some vice president. Alright. Beach volleyball and some tennis. Oh, Coco. Wow. Oh, she's pretty good. They don't come apart as easily as I would hope, but as long as it keeps the card safe, I guess. The cards themselves have a really nice feel. They remind me of the old, like, 1990s, 1980s, like, baseball cards. Just that full cardboard. Some basketball. More basketball. I know she's a stud. She's pretty solid. Some golf. This one doesn't even have the golf club. Some snowboarding. And some baseball. No big baseball names. Just, I mean, I actually might not know. To me, big baseball names. But biggest one, probably Tiger Woods so far for golf, has been the most recognizable name. Besides John and the vice president. Alright, some good old boxing. Pete Mutant voice of politicians. Oh, hey. Don't know this guy, but always love some shiny. Very nice. Some snowboarding. Goomba. All right. So far, so good. I mean, again, pretty much I feel like what you'd expect. This cost me $19.99 at my local Walmart. Just an overall fun rip. Let's see what we get in this bonus pack. Media personality. Ooh, and I saw something shiny back there. So, Tiger Woods again. Hey, seems to be one of his products. Another baseball. Nice. All right, we're getting a couple of duplicates, but they have the pretty teal border. So, all right, and then okay, nice numbered. Let's see, that's out of 499 for 272. Not too bad. I'm gonna be doing nicer product here. I just really wanted to go ahead and get comfortable with the camera and the setup, and yeah, thank you guys for bearing with me, and feel free to drop some comments for tips, advice, and I'll be seeing you guys shortly. Thank you.